In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a shopping cart model in Google Sheets on desktop. This is a super handy way to keep track of your purchases and expenses, making sure you stay within budget while shopping. First, let's get started by opening Google Sheets. Head over to your Google Drive and create a new blank spreadsheet. If you haven't used Google Sheets before, it's quite intuitive and user-friendly, so don't worry. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Now, to set the foundation of our shopping cart, we need to create columns for item, price, quantity, and total. These columns will help us organize our data neatly. Go ahead and type in these headers at the top of your sheet. This setup allows you to visually structure your shopping list and ensures you can easily input and track essential information. Once your headings are ready, it's time to fill in your list of items along with their individual prices. Enter each item you plan to purchase, followed by the price of each one. This is crucial for seeing exactly where your money is going, and it helps prevent any surprises when you arrive at the checkout. The next step is to add quantities for each item based on how many you want to buy. Simply enter the quantity beside each item. This step is key if you're planning to buy multiple units of the same product, as it will directly affect your total costs. Be sure to update these quantities as per your needs. With your items, prices, and quantities entered, we can now calculate the total cost for each item. To do this, use the formula B2 C2. Here, B2 represents the price of the item, and C2 represents its quantity. This formula will automatically compute the total cost of each item by multiplying the price by the quantity. Just click on the first row of the total column, type in the formula, and press Enter. You can easily drag the fill handle from this cell down through the rest of your list to apply the formula to all items. After calculating individual totals, let's find out the overall cost of your shopping cart. For this, we'll use the sum function to add up all the values in the total column. Click on a cell where you want your final shopping cart cost to appear and type sum D2 D10. Assuming column D contains your totals and D10 is the last row of your list. Adjust the range as needed. This total will give you a grand view of your expenses. Finally, if you'd like, you can add data validation to limit the quantity inputs to numbers only. This step isn't mandatory, but it's a helpful feature to prevent errors. To do this, select the range in your quantity column, go to Data, then Data Validation, and apply the rule to only accept numbers. And that's it! You've successfully built a shopping cart model in Google Sheets on desktop. This tool will surely make managing your shopping expenses a breeze, ensuring you keep everything within your preferred budget.